Immersion. My school name is Yara. I am 11 years old. I am from Svetelka, close to Dranga. I am a 6th grade student.
Hello, my name is David. My surname is Yuri Braga. I'm 11 years old. I live in the neighborhood close to Dranga. I'm 6th grade student. I like playing with my huge dog. Here is our library. Here we read our books and use the internet.
This is a computer room and these are computers.
Now we are in the gym. Here we exercise, play football, basketball, volleyball, and dance.
Hi, I'm Shpila Gugalyari. I'm 11 years old. I have one brother in a fairly college group. I live close to Dramia in Russia.
Hi, I'm Sara Kachichi. I'm 11 years old. I've got two little sisters, mom and dad. I play guitar and my favorite animal is a dog.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm 11 years old. I've got an older brother Alan and I got dog Aaron and cat Fitzko. I live in Svetelka, close to Dranga.
This is our English class. We have got English 4 times a week.
This is where we eat. We eat here twice a day, snack and lunch. These are our clothes, and this is mine.
Let's go around the school. Follow